Hi, it's Michelle from Movement Lesson. I'm doing a bunch of client review videos. We have a great group on Facebook. It's a closed group called Movement Lesson for Parents and Practitioners. The link is below. But what we're doing, because partly the reason is, if you haven't noticed, YouTube has shut down my comments because I have a children's channel. They shut down about 10,000 accounts. So because I can't get any feedback from people, we're going more into a group, and under Facebook also as well as we can now do courses. So I'm doing various courses on Facebook, Swallow, Vision. You know I'm coming out with a big seminar, and if you're not, please. I'm trying to do it as much around the world. I've got some places in Europe, US, Russia, called Cognitive Vision, and really trying to up what needs to happen to help people, especially children, have functional vision. And it's not necessarily about 20/20, it's about knowing how each eye functions within functional movement, and then once it's identified, then how to improve upon and understand tons of visual diagnosis that could happen. CVI is getting a little bit too popular, and yes, we have visual processing disorders, but at the same time, you have to deal with the strabismus first, let's say, and then the nystagmus and other functional, the vision that comes in with the functional movement. So what I'm showing you here is of how vision affects rolling over. So I'm rolling over, quote, typically, and then I'm showing how just different eye abnormalities will impair the child's or person's ability to roll over. And if you don't believe me, get on the floor, cross your eyes, and roll around and see how that feels. That's how Movement Lesson is. It's about taking functional movement and improving them. And if you improve the eyes, you improve every movement in the body. So enjoy this client review. If you really want to get into this kind of interaction, learn how to help your child and other children, this isn't just for parents, it's for professionals, and professionals get to learn because they're based off of parental experiences and the children's experiences, and it goes vice versa. And it's a great group. Link is below. Hopefully, please do the Cognitive Vision seminar, movementlesson.com, where that information is, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye. Hi, way over here, it's me, it's Michelle. We're going to get a lesson on rolling over and rolling over with vision. If you're not signed up, or you can be at my Cognitive Vision course, really consider it. There's so much to learn. Eyes affect the body. So what I'm seeing in the video is the lack of binocular vision, delayed convergence, following, not tracking. So there are really, you don't have peripheral vision, you don't have side corner visions. And I'm not saying that as a complaint, I'm saying that it's just frustrating when parents are going to professionals and you're basically being told, oh, the eyes are fine. Yeah, there might be 20/20 per se, but again, I don't know how you have 20/20 when you don't have binocular vision. You can see the left eye dominance. You know, I can go on and on and on. And I'm just looking to, if you know these things and you know what to work on, not to find another thing to add onto your pile. But I really want to discuss rolling over. So now a lot of people, especially for you that are professionals, think rolling over is, or it really is, I'm reaching for something, I go to reach for it, and oh, I'm on my belly. And then I have it, and I come back, and I'm off my belly. And I go to reach for something. That's rolling over, right? But rolling over, if you watch a kid, it's through their bellies. And if you don't believe me, watch Santino when he comes over. So when I'm doing this, right, I'm pushing my diaphragm, and going out like that. And that really is rolling over. Now, so I've done it two different ways, sort of through the arms. It is not, I lift my head up or get all the way over here where you're seeing this, arms are flailing over, or worse, arms are down here and then the parents are saying, get the arms out. That is not rolling over. So when people say prone to supine, well, you know, I can flip a coin and still get the same movements, but that doesn't mean it's functional. So we're looking at functional movement. So now, I'm going to get really sick doing this. I'm going to cross my eyes and show you what rolling over is. So, okay, my eyes are crossed. So as I'm doing this, right, you see the head lag, head goes down more, and I'm coming in, right? I don't have the synchronization that I would, as if I was crawling. Again,
Do you see the smoothness here versus cross-eyed? Again, my head is much heavier. Ugh. I don't know how these kids do it. So what they're doing with what they have, that's where I see this movements, and I go, what are the eyes doing? And people go, I don't understand that. So I really think we need to improve the vision, but we also need to do the other video that I said about stimulating that the way that the head is coming over and or it's not coming over, and that you're seeing those issues there showing up with the two. If you guys have any questions about what I say, get down on the floor, roll around, and then cross your eyes and roll around, and you'll see the difference. If I just have one eye in, let's say, for those which will not question me, so I'm just putting my right eye in. Now again, now I have left eye dominance when my right eye is in. This is blank. I don't see this. So you're not going to see, you're going to see this kind of movements kind of thing. Because I don't see here, I'm not going to play with it. So with the eye in, again, head down. And so those kind of movements are going to show up. And those are things to look for with vision and rolling over. So again, if you can do the cognitive vision course, it is around the country and around the world in various places. I wish I could be everywhere. I can't. But I'm doing the best that I can to get the information to you. So thank you. See you in the next video.